Bennett. Bennett. Look over here, honey. Hi. Yeah, you're looking right at the camera. Oh, he's got little scratches on his face. Can you say hi? He's a big boy. Rockin' with Daddy. Yeah, let's see. He's nice. He's nice and long.
What do you think about it? Just try to pull on Daddy's finger. Pull Daddy's finger. Oh. Oh.
Look over here, baby. Bennett. Hi, Bennett. Oh, he just turned green. Bennett. Let's look. He's a pretty boy. He's the pretty boy.
He doesn't want to be called a pretty boy.
He is pretty, though. Bennett, can you look at Mommy? No, you don't want to look at Mommy. There you go. Hi. Hi.
Here's how old I am today.
5 days old. 5 days old today. Got out of the house and went and met Great Grandma.
5.
You make him mad. All right. Let's see. All right.